Meaning of interventionism.
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 Interventionism. Interventionism refers to a political and economic philosophy that advocates for active government intervention in the economy and society. This can take many forms, such as imposing regulations on businesses, providing subsidies or tax breaks to certain industries, nationalizing key industries, or engaging in foreign interventionism. The goal of interventionism is typically to promote social welfare, reduce inequality, or protect national interests. However, there is significant debate over whether interventionism is an effective approach to achieving these goals, and many proponents of laissez-faire economics argue that government intervention often leads to unintended consequences and inefficiencies.